Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. It's VKS here, showcasing another one of the new bats for the 2019 season from Nicolls. We've got here the Power Swat. Those of you that are old enough to remember, the Power Swat was a very popular bat in the 80s, going through to the 90s as well. Michael Atherton used this bat. I remember when I was about, I think, 13, 14 years old, I used one myself many years ago. So the Power Swat is back. Obviously a bit of a modern twist to it, the traditional graphics over here with a bit of chrome. In terms of the shape at the back, so this is very much how the Power Swat used to be, with a very flat, no concaving at all. They didn't have a steep spine, more of a swell to the back area. Put a modern sort of sticker here to show the Power Swat logo, and obviously the Power Swat in the 80s and the 90s was very thin. It's a lot thicker now, as you can see here. Some very thick edges to go along with the full profile. Like I say, absolutely no concaving at all. You can just see there. You can probably just see it from this angle as well, right the way down, as to what it looks like. So in terms of weight. This one on the scales is 2.83, so very light scale weight. In terms of pickup, I have to be honest with you, it doesn't feel like a 2.8. It does actually feel heavier. It does pick up heavier, than a 2.8. So keep that in mind when ordering. I mean, look, every bat will be different, but this particular one doesn't feel like a 2.8. Although that is that on the scales, which is why I say, it's always very important to go with the pickup on the bat, not always with the scale weight. Sometimes we have an obsession to put bats on the scales and only go by that. Very often you get a bat that'll be 2.9, 2.10, but it picks up lighter. Like this one, 2.8 on the scales, but it does feel heavier. In terms of the mallet test, feels nice. Video review we did a little bit earlier, so just give you a bit of a comparison how it looks like in comparison to the new Shockwave. So the Shockwave has got a much steeper spine. There you can see a much steeper swell. The Power Swat, a flat look to the back. Just side profile on both as well, just to give you a little bit of a comparison between the two. So that's the new Power Swat from Nicolls for the 2019 season. Will be available very soon. You log on to our website for information. Drop us an email, give us a call, come in and see our store in London. We have a fantastic range of bats on display right the way through the year. Lots of different weights, price ranges to choose from. Thanks for watching. This is VKS.com.